Hey guys, it is a rainy fall day and I felt like pulling out my camera to do a little bit of vlogging because it's been a while. What? Addie wants to say hi.
Hi.
She's gotten a lot bigger. What's on your dress?
Apples.
She's got an apple dress on.
You're just a red Christmas tree.
Yep, it's a big Christmas tree, huh?
You're a little Christmas tree.
It's not little.
You're one of the big Christmas trees, both Christmas tree. One Christmas tree little, one big Christmas tree bigger.
Yep, we have a small Christmas tree and a big one, huh?
Mama.
I love you. Okay, hold on. Let me talk to the camera and then you can come play, okay?
And then get up and you talk to me.
Okay, and then it'll be your turn. Okay, so today is a rainy fall day and we're just kind of hanging out around the house right now. So I thought I would maybe show you guys some of our Thanksgiving decorations, and we're about to make some food. You gonna cook with me?
No.
We're just gonna hang out and record our day for a little bit. Yeah?
Yeah.
We also put up a new microwave, so I'll show you guys some of that. I got a little bit of footage of it. Do you like our new microwave?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
That's alright. There's a feet over there.
Yes, Athena is sitting on the couch. Our dog.
Oh my gosh, there's a little there, Mama.
Should we show them some of our decorations? And our microwave?
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna show them how we put up the microwave, okay? Okay, let's go.
I want decorated.
Okay. About to change this out for a microwave.
Doing my bidding. How real men treat a women.
So this is what it looks like now with the new microwave, and I love it so much. I think it looks way better than before. We just don't have a lot of counter space, so it just makes more sense to have it up above the oven. So back here, we removed all of the tile that took up this whole area. And you can see it kind of damaged the drywall, so we're in the middle of repairing it, but that's going to take a few days. And then we'll get a new backsplash. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do yet. But anyways, yeah, I'm super happy with it. I know I didn't get any videos of me working on it, but I promise I was working on it too, okay? It wasn't just the boys. And the first thing that I put inside of it to heat up was my coffee, of course.
She has a red head, and she has a pumpkin, and she has his wrist organs, and she has her pumpkin, right?
Yeah, is the turkey sitting on the pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's very sparkly. Here. Very cute turkey.
Sparkly and Kinder Beater. This is my turkey. What's that? What is it? Is there a pumpkin in there? Right there.
Oh, is there another one? Yeah. Is this your fall floral basket?
It is.
Yeah. Cute. Here's your knife.
I'm eating a carrot.
You're eating a carrot.
What is that?
Don't touch. Don't touch my knife. You can touch the celery. You can eat it. Celery. It's crunchy.
This is very crunchy, huh? But you need just touch it.
You don't like it?
I only like the carrots.
Okay. You just eat the carrots then.
It's okay. Carrots are good.
They are good. Can you put them in here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16,
16,
17, 14,
17,
17, 18, 19, 20. Is that
Good job.
21,
Mm-hmm.
22, what? 23, 24. That's a tiny. We do. So hot.
This
Can I do it?
You can keep doing it. Just be careful because it's getting very hot. I'll help you, otherwise it's going to take forever.
Don't do it.
We're
Don't.
both going to do it.
Don't.
Ready? Do it with me. Go like this. Take a big scoop. Hold on. I'll do it. I'll touch it. Don't touch over there. It's too hot. Put your hands up high. Yep, right here. Another big scoop. Let go. Don't touch this part. It's very hot. You're getting really close to it, so be careful. A little faster.
It's not a whole bunch of them.
No, yep. It's very, very, very hot, so be careful.
Now, you go put the lid on it.
It's very heavy. Need help? We're gonna leave the lid off right now, actually, and then when I get the onion in here, we'll put the lid on, okay?
And I want to do it.
Okay.
This is cooling down right quick.
It's very hot still, huh?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. This is a really smell good.
know? Do you know what month it is?
What?
November.
November is their birthday.
December is your birthday, yeah.
You're right.
November is Dad's birthday.
No, it's Daddy's birthday, but it's almost Daddy's birthday.
But first, before Addie's birthday, is Dad's birthday. Did you know that? Careful, don't touch. I have a knife.
Look, I made it.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Yummy. You want to put lettuce in it too?
Lettuce.
Fruit salad. Is it fruit salad?
No, this is gonna be a meat pie.
With carrots and onions?
Mm-hmm. I honestly think this is too much onion. Okay, stir that up. Ooh, you need to be careful. Okay, it doesn't call for garlic, but I'm gonna put all the garlic on because garlic is delicious.
It smells like onions.
Pour it in there. Good job.
Now you gotta mix it.
Yep.
More fry and we'll just
Good job.
spin it with Ooh. Delicious burger. It's my turn.
I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Stop. There you go.
Blah, 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 blah.
Can you help me? Can you stir that?
I mean, just spin that out. I put
Put that
it in.
in.
What?
Put that in.
Is that sweet?
No, it's beef bouillon.
Oh.
And put another one in.
Okay.
Porcelain time.
Okay. Now it's time.
Now put the spoon away. Grab the lid. It's very heavy. Can you do it? Oh, I'll help you. Ready? Okay, now we're gonna put it in the oven.
Okay, I'll put oven mitts on too.
Okay, now we have to wait.
I want coffee. Do it over there. There you go. Can you spread it on the dough?
Spread the flour.
Like this. Spread it. There you go. And then roll it. anyways, I'm getting really tired. I think I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night and end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.